Hey guys, this is just a really quick video, but I thought it was a perfect example. 90% of the time, you get an oil leak on your car and everyone always says, oh, it's the rear main. The rear main's leaking. No. 90% of the time it's probably not the rear main. It's just the rear main, the drain for the rear main, or where the oil would end up, is always at the bottom, but everything else ends up at the bottom. So this rear main on this car is perfect. However, the valve cover is leaking, and the valve cover sits about here. So you can see the oil leaks behind this cover, leaks inside, and then drains down the bottom, thinking you have a leaking rear main. This one also had a buggered clutch, by the way, so I didn't remove it for that. But I'll just show you on the car. If we can get in here, that the rear main is leak free, and all the oil is tracking up. If I can get my head torch off, you can see the oil is all tracking up to the valve cover. So we've got a leaking valve cover back here, and all that oil is leaking down from the valve cover down the side of the block to the bottom, looking like it's a rear main. But if you just trace the oil all the way to the top, to the highest point of where the oil leak is, fix that first, clean her up. If you've still got oil and you can't see where it's coming from, then yes, it might be rear main. But never assume that it's just rear main first. Always look up, fix the highest point of the oil leak, degrease it, clean it up really good, take it for a drive, and then assess from there. So, like I said, quick video guys, but very common issue always. People are saying that it's rear main when it's not. Thanks for watching, see you later.